Beres Hammond's Forever Giving Thanks Tour 2025, a reggae legend's soulful return. Hey reggae fans! The iconic Beres Hammond is back with his Forever Giving Thanks Tour 2025, and you don't want to miss this soulful journey. Before we dive in, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest reggae updates, tour news, and exclusive content. Your support keeps the Lovers Rock spirit alive. Beres Hammond, Jamaica's king of Lovers Rock, is set to light up stages across the U.S. with his Forever Giving Thanks Tour 2025, a heartfelt celebration of his 5-decade career. Known for his velvety, bourbon-smooth vocals and emotive songwriting, Beres has earned the title of reggae's Otis Redding. The tour includes major stops like the Au-Rene Theater at the Broward Center in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for 2 nights on August 30th and 31st, 2025, as well as Shoreline Amphitheatre in Mountain View, California, July 12th to 13th, the Wilbur Theatre in Boston, Massachusetts, August 13th, and the New Jersey Performing Arts Center in Newark, August 16th. Fans can expect an unforgettable evening of classic hits and new tracks, backed by the renowned Harmony House musicians, delivering the authentic reggae sound Beres is famous for. Born Hugh Beresford Hammond on August 28, 1955, in Onato Bay, St. Mary, Jamaica, Beres grew up influenced by American soul giants like Sam Cooke and Otis Redding, alongside Jamaican legends like Alton Ellis. His Lovers Rock style, blending reggae's rhythmic pulse with soulful melodies, has produced timeless anthems such as Tempted to Touch, I Feel Good, Rock Away, They Gonna Talk, and No Disturb Sign. His recent re-recording of Let Me Help You, originally from 1988, has reignited excitement, with fans on X praising its fresh yet nostalgic vibe. With over 500,000 monthly Spotify listeners and millions of TikTok views, Beres music continues to resonate across generations, connecting with both longtime fans and new listeners. The Forever Giving Thanks Tour 2025 is a testament to Beres' enduring legacy. His January 5, 2025, performance at Intimate at Plantation Cove in St. Ann, Jamaica, left audiences in awe, with X posts describing his magnetic stage presence and ability to evoke deep emotions. Whether it's the romantic sway of Putting Up Resistance or the uplifting energy of I Feel Good, Beres delivers each song with raw passion, creating an intimate connection with his audience. While some past shows have faced minor criticism for late starts, his unmatched vocal delivery and storytelling keep fans coming back for more. Special guests like Baby Cham and Tarrus Riley will join select dates, adding extra fire to an already electrifying lineup. This tour is a celebration of reggae's soulful roots, offering a night of love, unity, and good vibes. Tickets are moving fast on platforms like Ticketmaster and www.browardcenter.org, so secure yours now. Check official sites for full tour schedules and join the movement to keep reggae alive. Don't miss Beres Hammond live in 2025. His music is a gift that keeps on giving.